We have improved our technology with Beacon 3, our third-generation fiber sensing unit. I'm Eitan Rowen, CTO at Prisma Photonics. It took us 6 years of development, field tests, and customer deployments to get to where we are today. Now we're releasing it to the market. Our new Beacon units collect highly detailed data from the connected optical fibers. Thanks to great optical signal integrity and our high signal-to-noise ratio, this data quality allows us to offer the best-in-class false alarm rate. We managed to squeeze the full functionality of an edge unit that can deal with 200 kilometers of data collection and analysis into the smallest footprint in the market. It is one small unit that packs so much potential for large-scale monitoring. We'd be more than happy to share it with you.